Hello everybody, Dadas here speaking to you from the Dadas Trading Room Discord server, where I stream live every day all my trading, so you can join the voice channel and you can see my screen. You can see what I'm doing. You can, of course, you're welcome to interact, to ask me questions, to discuss. And also what I'm doing is I'm trading the DAX 30 index practically every day. I'm trading only this instrument because it's giving me appropriate conditions for making some money during the day. So the white lines over here denominate the day. As we can see, after yesterday's plunge, the market went sideways and then a little bit higher. So basically, in the beginning of the day, in the sense of after the opening of the Frankfurt and London sessions, there was some incentive to go up, and that's why I was trading a long trade right here, because I was thinking about this context, and I was thinking of the price going upwards and perhaps even correcting or consuming the whole of yesterday's downwards movement, right? Well, the price didn't want to do that. The price initially it did. Initially it went up, and it went up about 30 pips. So basically, and the conditions right here were pretty good for going up and not down, right? But I was waiting for lots of pips, which didn't happen. So at this specific moment right here, I thought to myself, well, it is no use just watching this one lot, and I turned around at 10 lots and almost recovered it. I mean, I didn't recover it fully. It was like about three something pips missing, which I recovered right here. And again, I mean, this trade, this short right here could have been much better, because I had put my take profit right here. So basically, I could have made much more profit on this trade that I actually did. But you know, as usual, that's my goal is to recover the lost trade, perhaps with some profit if possible. Well, why long here? Again, very simple. We had a breakout candle. The price action on the M5 was pretty bullish, so I jumped in long. And again, perhaps I was counting on much more, right? Because I was counting on the price to go up, even up all the way over there. And all the way over there is like, now it doesn't. I'm on the M15. Why is it? Does it work like that? What the hell is that supposed to recalculate? Never mind. Okay, anyways, so that was where I was counting. I decided to get out of it because the price wasn't moving upwards. So basically this is what works for me. I don't know if it works for somebody else, but I tend to have this repeating pattern that every time I'm hoping for a bigger amount of pips, it doesn't happen, and every time I'm simply turning around and counting on a profit, I simply get a profit. So when I'm concentrated on the profit, I get profit. When I'm concentrated on some expectation, the market always goes against that. So yeah, the same thing happened right here. I mean, you see that the market turned around and started moving it down, so started continuing that movement. Sure, I could have gotten into that trade earlier, but I decided that the market is moving pretty dynamically, so I simply jumped in on the move, and I made 31 pips right here. Then again, the market turned around. There was an opportunity right there. I got in pretty quickly. I got in off the M5 charts, and because I saw the appropriate price action there, and I made almost 45 pips. I didn't want to wait, the rest of the day, but we still see that the price it actually came back and then bounced off right here and continued the movement right there. So there was a possibility for me to get in long again, but I simply finished trading right there. As you can see, I was also trying to get in short right here. Off of this price action, I wanted again. This was from the on the M5 chart, and I put my take profit much closer than this, and I trailed the stop loss. And that's because the price was initially moving pretty nicely, and I thought I simply thought to myself, okay, then now it's the right time to secure some profit. And I was practically very positive about the price potentially reaching my take profit. But it turned around and took out my break-even plus. And yeah, that's I thought to myself, that's enough. I mean, that was the most trading day of this week right here. So I'm pretty satisfied, and it kind of looks to me like I don't know, like everything that we see on the charts is theoretically, I mean, with all those theoretical or hypothetical methods, strategies that people teach you, they never seem to work in real time. The only making money seems to work in real time, because basically what's the idea right here? Well, it's an idea that I'll be talking about this Sunday most probably, but this Sunday is going to be in Polish. So yeah, and it's basically the idea. I think I was even talking about it in English last Sunday, on the Sunday with Dada's trading system. It's the idea of exactly what we see right here. We see this is called the momentum candle or the breakout candle, right? And there should be price action that suggests a bearish movement instead of a bullish move. A bullish movement right here instead of a bearish movement. And pretty much this pin bar right here is showing that reaction, and basically that's why I entered this long. Right now, like I said, did the market go in my direction? Yes, it almost immediately went in my direction. Did I take the profit? No. Why? Because I was expecting a lot more pips. Yeah, I was expecting the market to go all the way back up over there. And that's why I was waiting. I was waiting because I thought to myself, okay, so I'm accepting this kind of a loss, right? I'm ready to accept this loss. I'm going to wait. Now, if I had waited all the way down to this loss, I would have gotten that loss. I wouldn't get anything, right? So at one moment I just said, what the fuck am I waiting for? I got out of that one. I turned around at 10 lots, so 10 times more. And on this account, I really have a lot of more space, because even 10 lots is a small amount for this account. And yeah, and all of a sudden I'm in profit, right? Or I've recovered, and right here I'm back. I'm not waiting. I'm taking. I'm taking, right? Because again, we have a breakout candle, right? And on the M5 we got some price action that suggests that the market is going to be bullish. But the market just goes, a certain amount of pips, and then it doesn't want to go further and starts going down, right? So basically, right here we would have most probably on the M5 chart we would probably have some price action suggesting a bearish movement, right? And this bearish movement actually worked out, would have worked out to the fullest, right? And again, another one right there. That's what that's why I jumped in right there to take some pips. And on the M5 chart, this trade on the M5 chart looked a little bit different because, or even on the M1 chart, because they went down, right? They went down and then they went back up again. So basically, I got out at a very good moment when the price basically turned back up, and then only after that, almost the price almost came back up and would have given me, practically a situation where all of a sudden I would have gotten, my trading stop taken out. So I decided just to get out of it, and that's it. And the next situation is right here, where I decided to get in this long. Right now, again, I had a much bigger expectation, yeah, but actually what happened right here, I mean, this candle pretty much looked bullish, so I got in, and I even got out at a pretty good level, thinking about profit, not thinking about waiting for who knows what, right? And then again, this little one here was based off of this thing, and I think I was even looking at the M1 charts for a moment. Anyways, I just thought to myself that this level, or this support level right here, because those are the M15 zero lines. So I thought to myself that support level could become important in this sense. So basically, we see that basically the price reacted to this level right here as support. So I wasn't really all that wrong. It's just that I instead of waiting for this, I trailed my stop loss and it got taken out. Anyways, yeah. So basically, this was the market, and this was the market, and this is what happened right here. And again, we see at this moment, it pretty clearly shows that there's a bullish reaction right there. So basically, this is where we should have been entering long, but so there is never 100% certainty method or rule. It's up to the trader to either be profitable or or just be wishy-washy, wishful thinking and never make any money, because the trader is always waiting for something instead of making money, right? Okay, that's it for today. So like I say, please join the Dada's Trading Room Discord server. The link with the invitation is below in the descriptions. I'm very happy to meet people and to talk with them. I just wish there would be more people wanting to interact and talk than there are, because it's like this. There's a lot of people on the server, but very few, if any, are actually being active, or they are active from time to time, or some of them just come and go, or whatever, right? Anyways, yeah, please please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you already haven't. Hit the notification bell. I post all my videos on my YouTube channel. It's also called Dada's Trading Room. It used to be called something else, but that was last year. This year it's called Dada's Trading Room. Also, I post the same videos on my Dada's Trading Room Discord server. I also post them on my Forex Factory threads. I've got 3 threads here. It's very easy. You just have to find Dadas there. So it's Forex Factory, www.forexfactory.com/Dadas, right? And you'll find them there. Also on Patreon. I also post my videos on Patreon, and you can become my patron by joining my Patreon channel, or by supporting me directly through PayPal, and you can then become a VIP member on my Dada's Trading Room Discord server, and you will get lots and lots of interesting benefits, because if you stick around with me and you support me, then I'm ready to share my tools with you, share my knowledge, and lots of other things. Of course, there is also access to other videos that might open your mind a little bit, even more than what I'm doing right now. Thanks a lot for today. Have a nice weekend. Like I said, this Sunday will be the Polish Sunday, so the English version will be next Sunday, right? Not this Sunday, but next Sunday. So, and of course, as usual, every weekday, the daily recap. So, have a nice weekend. Please stay safe. Please stay healthy, and see you next time. Bye.